Bridge. We will be using an exercise mat for support. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the mat. Adjust your feet to be hip width apart. Place your arms beside you on the mat. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and relax your shoulder blades so that they are flat on the mat. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Tilt your pelvis slightly so that your lower back is flat to the ground. Slowly push your pelvis up toward the ceiling. Push into your feet and use the strength of your legs to lift your pelvis up. Do not let your knees fall toward each other. To protect your back, avoid squeezing your buttocks. Hold the position for a count of 3. Slowly, with control, lower your pelvis down. Repeat until you have finished 10 to 15 repetitions. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Do not rush through this exercise. Use proper technique to avoid lower back pain.